When I think of Fujitsu, I think of air conditioners that are easy to use and designed to be energy efficient, reliable and aesthetically pleasing to suit modern interiors. Today, we're going to take a look at how to use your remote controller to get the most out of your Fujitsu air conditioner. Let's start by exploring the basic buttons on your remote. Once you turn your air conditioner on, you can press the mode button to switch between heating, cooling, dry or fan mode, and press the up and down arrow buttons to adjust the set temperature. The louvers control the direction of the airflow. They are able to swing up and down by pressing the swing button, and you're able to stop them from moving or set a specific direction by selecting Set. Setting timers allows you to automate your air conditioner to maximise comfort to easily assist with efficient operation. Start by making sure your time and date on your remote is set to the correct time and date. If not, press Clock Adjust to change. Setting weekly timers means your Fujitsu air conditioner adjusts to your ideal comfort levels throughout the week, including your weekend sleep-in. You can set up to 4 different times for your weekly timer. Start by selecting the Timer Setting button. You'll then see the weekly setting flash on your remote. To set the time for your air conditioner to turn on, press the Select Up arrow and next, press the Start Time and Temperature. Then press the Send button. To set the time for your air conditioner to turn off, press the Select Up. Once the whole week is flashing, press Next. Press Select Down to set the off time and set the time you'd like the air conditioner to turn off. Once you're happy with the on-off time and temperature, don't forget to hit the Send button to lock it in. You'll know if it's worked if you hear a beep, just like that. Your remote controller can also set the sleep timer, which gradually adjusts the temperature, allowing you to sleep comfortably at night, setting it to gradually turn off after a set amount of time, up to 9 hours. There are lots of other convenient features to give you greater control. Use the powerful mode if you want a rapid change in room temperature. This mode will operate the air conditioner at maximum capacity for up to 20 minutes to heat or cool your room quickly. Select economy mode to help reduce the power usage of your system. And low noise mode to reduce the noise from your outdoor unit. And for those who live in much colder parts of Australia, like Tasmania, where temperatures can drop to below 1 to 2 degrees in winter, the 10-degree heat button is a handy option for you. This will ensure the room temperature does not drop below 10 degrees to make sure the room does not get too cold. So, no matter what the temperature is outside, you can stay comfortable inside with a Fujitsu air conditioner. It's Australia's favourite air. For more help on understanding how your remote controller works, you can always give Fujitsu General Assist a call on 1300 882 201.